Hi girlies, I hope you're doing well. While I was living with my parents in Mumbai, I vlogged a bunch of days and it was all very confusing, so I'm just putting them together and taking you along with me. So on this day there was a Samsung event and I put on a very last minute outfit. A blazer and jeans will always be a classic. I met up with Ishita and Shruti there and we just had a look at their new store and left pretty quick, and we had dinner after. Okay, this is where it gets a little interesting. I went on my first brand trip to Alibag, reached the hotel at 8 a.m. to take the jetty there. The way I was literally shaking, I had like 3 hours of sleep because I was just so anxious. I was going on this trip knowing I didn't know a single person, and for some of us it's really hard to do that, but I really wanted to push myself. We were there for a night and I was sharing a room with another creator. It kind of felt like camp. You would go down, create content, then go back up again and so on. I was so grateful I was able to go, and since I was living with my parents and this content creation thing is so new to them, it took so much convincing even though I am 31 years old. Once all the events were done, we finally went down to have dinner and the light was not the best. This is Janvi. She was my roommate and she's truly the kindest, and we just got along really well because coming into this I was like, I have to share a bed with someone I've never met for the night, but
I really don't know how to scoop it out. Which one you want?
Oh, they have mint chocolate. I love mint chocolate. Yeah. Are you a mint chocolate person or not?
Not at all. I feel like why do I want to have toothpaste?
No. They have ice cream.
What are you
Are you a mint chocolate person? Yes or no?
No.
Are you a mint chocolate person?
No one. I
Why
don't think
is
I've
nobody-
tasted. I don't think I've tasted mint chocolate. Why do you want to have chocolate?
You either love it or you hate it.
It's not bad. It's nice. I would eat it.
Yeah. Good.
I would eat it.
इसकी लाइट देखो. Shook. Big sleepover vibes for the rest of the night. The next morning we had a quick shoot to see how the foundation performs in the heat, and yeah, then it was time to go back home, and the introvert in me couldn't be happier to just go home. Bye bye. We're leaving. The vibes were not vibing with some of the creators, to be honest. I felt kind of small at times and just felt like I didn't belong. But then I very unexpectedly reunited with all the sweet girls I met initially, and those thoughts just immediately disappeared because all of them are just so nice. Also, at this point the boat basically stopped moving and some of us just thought we were gonna die, and some of us were still vlogging. Once we reached Mumbai we were starving, so we went to one of my favorite places for pizza and bahut tea share hui, and then I headed home just knowing the hardest part was over now. And then it was time to fly back to Lucknow, but just for like 10 days because Salman and I wanted to spend Eid together, and then he was going to leave for a few weeks on tour for a project, so we were gonna have to do long distance again. And he surprised me by bringing me flowers at the airport, and then some girl just like took off with my suitcase thinking it was hers, so we had to wait at the airport for her to bring it back because she had left already.
परेशान करके रख दिया है. She arrived at 4:30 and it's almost 6 and we are still at the airport.
No, ये gentleman ये सब नहीं कहते.
Gentlemen ये लेके आते हैं, लेकिन क्या बोला तुमने?
It's not my fault.
अच्छा.
So she left with my bag. If I
Guys,
didn't
it's
get her
it's
bag, तो पता भी नहीं चलता कि किसने ले लिया है.
Hmm.
Trying to match. नहीं हो पा रहा है. अरे
क्या है?
it's so. ये क्या है?
देख केक है तुम्हारे लिए.
वाइड एंगल में ले.
चलो.
Okay, now we're back in Mumbai and I attended a Huda Beauty event with Ishita, and we dipped pretty fast and went to the mall. This is how it just goes at all events. We take pictures, play with makeup, and then we leave. Salman was finally done with his tour, and this time I bought him flowers and went to pick him up at the airport.
चलो भैया बहुत टाइम
चुप क्यों हो गए?
चलो भैया कर
The next day, I had a really big shoot, and at that point, I wasn't allowed to post about it. But I got picked to be a part of Tira Tribe, which is basically a year-long association, and we're going to be representing them and creating content for them. The Tira office was huge. Everyone was so friendly, and it's the first time someone styled me and did my makeup, and they even did my nails. Here's the final look. It's very soft girl but extra since this was a shoot. We took a lot of BTS content, and I couldn't even believe they chose me out of so many creators. I'm such a nightmare for photographers to work with because I don't know how to pose. Like, how am I a creator that doesn't know how to pose? Like, anyway, then we finally wrapped up at like 9, and I was so hungry at this point. I wanted to go to Chin Chin for their pizza, so I waited for Salman to come so we could go together.
Hi.
Shoot khatam. Now we're having pizza. I wanted to go to this place called Chin Chin for so long.
And I saw the pictures of the pizza and it looks so amazing.
Finally, we're gonna go tonight. चलो बटन कहीं नहीं है।
चलो
हमारी बात सुनो।
बोलो
बिल्डिंग एंटर करते ही मतलब लिफ्ट होती है सारी। लिफ्ट का बटन ही नहीं कहीं।
जाहिल हो ना तुम।
साथ है
लिफ्ट का बटन ही नहीं था।
20th फ्लोर पे कैसे थे?
पैदल सीढ़ी से।
फिर वो लेके गई इतना बड़ा सा टैबलेट था
हम्म।
उस पे सारे फ्लोर नंबर लिखे थे।
वाह हम भी नहीं पहुंच पाते। Sorry we missed the pizza, but it was really amazing. We took one bite and it was like we'll take a pizza back home, but at the end बहुत हौका करते हैं हम लोग यार। फिर बाद में जब पेट भर गया तो कहा छोड़ो।
I just feel like this pizza was very well earned because I've been working for hours.
And I promised her that I'll take her to her favorite place in Mumbai. What did you just buy? What card? Card holder? Okay. तुमने अभी रिजर्वेशन करवाया लेकिन फोन काट दिया क्योंकि ये फोटो खींचनी थी।
हमें लगा कि कोई होगा, पता नहीं मेरे दिमाग में नहीं आया कि उन्हीं का फोन होगा। So hungry.
I have been living on margarita.
Yeah, but today he's gonna have like really good margarita.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, ये क्या एंगल है? By the way, this is our last day in Mumbai.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we're going back to Lucknow. मेरा भी लेना है यहाँ से। Looks like Maggie, but it's not. It still looks like Maggie.
Vlog bhi.
Do you like it? Why is it smoking?
It's good. I like it.
Is it too cheesy? सच बताओ।
No, it's not.